Good morning. I feel great. I think I'm getting to the point now after I don't know how many years of drinking where, you know, the exact moment, like if I don't stop drinking right now, I will be Liddy McTitty. And I love that for us. What do we call that? Growth. So I feel great. I'm tired, but I'm not hungover, which I'll take tired over hungover any day. I need to go to the grocery store. I don't need a lot, but I always do my Sunday steak. So I need to get a steak and potatoes. I need to make a list, and I need to prep what I'm gonna make for this week. I still have, I think I have a salmon, one piece of salmon left, so maybe I could do lunch for that tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna do that today. Like right now, we're gonna put the Christmas tree up, guys. I'm gonna put the Christmas tree. Y'all are eating me up in my comments and DMs. I'm gonna put it up. It's gonna go right there. I'm gonna put it right in the corner. And then, guys, actually, I have to have my hair redone. I didn't say this in the other video because I was like, let me just chill on it. So I got a sew-in and I got a closure. But y'all, the closure is, it's so bad. Like, it's really, really bad. It's so bad. The lace, they use glue. It's bad. So I found another place that I'm going to go to today at 4:30. And I literally sent her a video. And I was like, hey, this happened. And I just really need it redone because it just doesn't look good. So I'm going to go there at 4:30. To have my hair redone. So I need to take that down. So we actually need to get a move on because I haven't taken a sew in now, because I haven't had a sew in since, when's the time I had a sew in? 2015, I think. 2015. So my goal this year is to keep as many protective styles in because my hair has been growing a lot and I want to keep it that way. So no heat, clip those ends, and protective styles. We're just not going to mess with it. But so I need to take my time, and I don't want to mess anything up. And obviously this hair, first of all, it was expensive and I can reuse it a million times. So I want to make sure I don't mess it up. So I need to give myself time to take it out and get it redone. So that's where we are. So on the docket, grocery store. I need to just like do at least 2 days of meal prepping. And then, yeah, grocery store, meal prepping, take my hair down, Christmas tree. Grocery store, Christmas tree, meal prep, take my hair down. And then come back home and have my Sunday steak and go to bed. This is the last week of school before winter break. Giggity geeked. Because literally I have so many things that I want to do over this break. Like, I want to really get into my tourist bag here. Tourist, not tourist. Because I haven't really been outside. I went to Dubai when I lived in Kuwait. But it's been a while. So there's just some touristy things that I want to explore and see. Because I haven't really been doing that since I've been here. I've been just chilling, stacking my money. And I love that for me. But I do have a list of things that I want to see, and obviously I will be vlogging them, so I'm excited. We have student-led conferences this week, and then yeah, it's a wrap on the time. I cannot believe how quickly the time has flown by. Like, what? How is it already December? Like, literally 2025. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. The shirt is kind of wrinkled, but like, I'm just going to the grocery store. I don't actually care that much, and it's very close. So let me make my list and then we'll go to the grocery store. Okay, we are off. I'm gonna go get a little iced Spanish latte, of course, because what is addiction? Me and the iced Spanish latte go together so bad, like real bad. Damn, I should have put this gum in my mouth. Anyways, iced Spanish latte. Oh, let me grab my bags because I stay forgetting my recyclable bags. Love of my life, you are my friend. That rocket was so good last time. Grocery haul. I spent 253 dirham, which is like, Alexa just said it's 68 USD, which I feel like is bananas. Okay, so for lunch, so the one thing about me is if I find something I like, sometimes I get fixated on it and I just keep making and keep eating it. Especially if it's convenient. So these like little salad packs, this rocket last time, oh my god, it was so good. Anyways, I have 2 of these in the fridge already, but they always have this deal where like you can get 2 of these little full packs of salad, and I will literally put some chicken, veggies, whatever on these, and this is like the quickest, easiest lunch ever. So I'll make like a batch, like I did last week, a batch of chicken, a batch of salmon, a batch of shrimp, whatever. Slice up my veggies, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, and then just have this for lunch. So that's what we're doing this week with the chicken. I'm gonna make that Chipotle chicken again because it was good and quick and easy. So that's like that. We got some grapes. I haven't seen no green grapes in a while. It was kind of high though, but. And then green onion. I'm gonna ketchup. And I've never seen this before, but this is cute. So I make my overnight oats and I put berries on top. So I have 1 thing of raspberries in there, but I need some more. Regular potatoes, sweet potatoes, some pineapple, which I haven't had pineapple in a minute, and then some fresh broccoli, because I'm also going to remake the salmon because that was also delicious. My coffee cup. Eggs, and then of course my meats. This is Brazilian beef ribeye steak, 3 for about 50 dirham, which is a pretty good deal. So I'll freeze 2 of those, and then I'll make the one for my Sunday steak tonight. And then I already had some of these, but I try to have one of these a day. I really like these little Greek yogurt protein shake thingies. And then, oh, my bad, salmon. Some salon. And then some fresh chicken thighs. And that's it. So all of that together was about 70 US bucks, which I feel like, man, it's really the meat that was high, which is fine because one thing about it is I'm always gonna eat the meats. I'm waiting for my water to be delivered right now. I don't think I ever showed y'all the big, just like a regular, or like, excuse this desk, it's a disaster, but that little pump, I need to charge that actually. So yeah, this is what we have for this week. So I'm gonna put these away and then I'm gonna edit. And then I need to start taking out my hair because that appointment is at 4. The place is really close, so that's not bad. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so we have taken sewing out, and here we are. Y'all see why I need to keep this shit wrapped up? Okay, so we're on our way there, and hopefully we have a better outcome this time. Just got back. It's so late. I'm tired. I'm about to make me some samosas and go to bed. But my hair looks way better than it did before. So, yeah. There's that.